In February 2026, Lancaster University hosted the second European Curlew Fieldworker Workshop. Over 3 days, we welcome people from across Europe and the UK. Anyone working on curlews who wants to share their ideas, inspiration and challenges. Curlews winter on the coast of Lancashire, and the field trip rooted us in the actual lives of these much-loved birds. They depend on all of us to protect them across their range, which is exactly why these workshops are so important. Only by working together can we save curlews, so please donate to Curlew Action to help us to protect this magical bird. Thank you very much.